How you doing? John from Next Key Real Estate. We have a terrific home at 37 Nichols Street in Lewiston, Maine. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. All the bedrooms are located on the second level, really nice, and the whole house has been fully updated. You're gonna love this one. And one of my favorite parts is right here where we're standing on this front porch. It's almost about 12 foot wide. Just picture yourself sitting out here enjoying the morning or your evenings, and you can't beat it. It's going to be one of the focal points of this house for a new homeowner. So I want you to come inside, take a look with me. We're going to show you some more, and I will also explain a few other things while we're in there. So come on in. One of the highlights of this house is the refinished kitchen. Even though the whole home has been redone, the kitchen came out really nice. Check out the granite countertops, giant farmer sink, all new appliances everywhere. And making our way over here, we got a beautiful fridge and pantry right next to it, which will be a highlight of your kitchen while you're cooking and making all your good stuff in here. So on the second level, the layout is really neat for a family. All 4 bedrooms are up here, and then behind me is the full bath. So we got 2 bedrooms on each side, and the cool thing is they're all about the same size. So you won't have kids fighting over, well, I want the bigger room or this or that. 2 on each side make it great for if the parents want to be on one with an office, or you got, how many kids you got? You know, you might need all of them. So just another great feature about this house. Well, as we wrap up here, this is the back patio I wanted to show you, which the entrance to the kitchen is right around the corner. So this is perfect for grilling, you're in and out. Great spot maybe for a fire pit. And it's got great shade here, newly planted grass, and this is the privacy of your backyard that you could sit and enjoy. I appreciate you coming by today and taking a look at this house. For any considerations or to set up a tour, please reach out to me anytime. John Kraus from Next Key Real Estate. Have a great day.